Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the Creative Labs Pebble X PC speakers. These compact speakers have been making waves for their design, sound quality, and some fun RGB lighting. Let's see if they live up to the hype. Creative has revamped their Pebble series with the Pebble X, aimed at delivering superior audio in a compact form factor. Priced competitively, these speakers promise more than just basic sound for your desktop setup. Starting with the design, the Pebble X speakers have a modern, minimalist look. They're larger than their predecessors, but still compact enough to fit neatly on any desk. The build is sturdy, primarily made of plastic, which keeps them lightweight. Now, let's talk about the sound. The Pebble X speakers feature 2.75-inch full-range drivers, which deliver surprisingly good clarity and depth for their size. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or gaming, these speakers offer a balanced sound profile with decent bass reproduction. In terms of connectivity, Creative has included both USB-C and Bluetooth 5.3 options. This means you can connect them directly to your laptop or desktop via USB-C for power and audio, or use Bluetooth for wireless convenience. It's worth noting that while they support Bluetooth, they only use the SBC audio codec. One of the unique features of the Pebble X is its RGB lighting. Unlike previous models, these speakers come with customizable RGB elements on each speaker. You can adjust the colors, brightness, and even the animation types using the Creative app available for iOS, Android, and Windows PC. I compared the Pebble X with a few other speakers in this price range. While they may not have the booming bass of larger speakers, they do excel in clarity and stereo separation. They outperform many Bluetooth speakers in their class and even hold their own against some more expensive options like the SteelSeries Arena 3. Creative includes some handy extras like a headphone jack, microphone port, and even a threaded tripod mount underneath each speaker. These add versatility to where and how you can use them, whether it's on your desk or mounted on stands. Wrapping up, the Creative Labs Pebble X PC speakers are a solid choice if you're looking for quality sound under $100. They offer great audio performance for their size, enhanced by customizable RGB lighting and versatile connectivity options. If you're on a budget and want speakers that punch above their weight class, the Pebble X is definitely worth considering. They strike a good balance between affordability and performance, making them suitable for various setups from gaming rigs to home offices. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.